Good morning, students. Today is 24th April 2021, and today I am going to this is the fourth video for class 9th subject biology, chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. And today's topic is about the nucleus, right? In previous lecture we have studied about the structure of the cell wall and the functions of the cell wall. Okay, structure of the cell wall and the functions of the cell wall, and the plasmolysis. So plasmolysis, again I am repeating plasmolysis, when a plant cell loses water through osmosis, right? When a plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is a shrinkage or contraction of the protoplasm away from the cell wall, right? So this phenomena is known as the plasmolysis. So now today's topic is about the nucleus. So look at the diagram of this nucleus. As you will see that this is the whole diagram. This is the structure of the nucleus. First diagram, I have made the two diagrams. Structure of the nucleus, and second one is the structure of the nuclear envelope with the endoplasmic reticulum, right? Nuclear envelope, connection of the nuclear envelope. Okay, now next is about the structure of the nucleus. The nucleus, you will see that nucleus is a double membrane structure. Okay, this is the double membrane structure in which the outer covering, right, outer covering is known as the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane or nuclear membrane. Okay, so now look at here, the pore is present in between the two nuclear envelope is known as the nucleopore, right? The liquid present inside the nucleus is known as the nucleoplasm, and inside the nucleus the oval shape is the structure is known as the nucleolus, and the thread-like structures or the entangled mass, that is known as the chromatin. Okay, now chromatin is again changes in the form of the chromosomes. This is the thread-like structures, and this chromosomes contain genes. Now gene, what is gene? Gene is a segment of DNA. Gene is a segment of DNA which transmits hereditary material from parent to offspring, right? So this is the structure of the nucleus, students. Now connection of nuclear envelope with the endoplasm. Connection is what? The point where the two envelopes are connected, that is the pore in the membrane. Pore is the nucleopore. Look at this. This is the pore. Now the point where the connection is with the endoplasmic reticulum, that is ER. This 2 points are there, right? Now in the nucleus the ribosomes are attached, right? Ribosomes can function. What is the function of the ribosomes? Ribosomes can synthesize proteins. Okay, students. Now we will study about the functions of the nucleus. What is the function of the nucleus? Number one function is that it controls all the metabolic activities inside the cell. The metabolic activities present inside the cell or occurring inside the cell is controlled by the nucleus. Number second function, it regulates cell cycle, right? It regulates cell cycle. And number third is about the transmission of it helps in the transmission of hereditary traits from parent to the offsprings. It helps in the transmission of hereditary trait from parent to offsprings, right? This is about the functions of the nucleus. Now we will study about the cytoplasm. Okay, we will study about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Now cytoplasm is the part of the cell which occurs between the plasma membrane and nuclear envelope. ठीक है? The part of the cell which occurs between plasma membrane and nuclear envelope. Got my point? This is the part of the cell का वो part जो कि प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के बीच में है, that is known as the cytoplasm. Okay, so the liquid present inside the cytoplasm, that is known as the cytosol, that containing a variety of cell organelles. ठीक है, liquid content is cytosol. ठीक है, cytosol, it is a soluble part of this cytosol is a soluble part. It is a soluble part of the cytoplasm, right? Function क्या है इसके? It also performs metabolic pathways like glycolysis. It is a site of the certain metabolic pathways. ठीक है ना, ये एक साइट है साइटोसॉल जिसमें कि यहाँ पे metabolic pathways होते हैं. So that pathway is known as the glycolysis, right? Glycolysis. Second function is about the cytoplasm acts as a vital chemicals. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अमीनो एसिड्स या ग्लूकोज या विटामिन इसका वाइटल केमिकल्स फॉर्मेशन होते हैं. एंड थर्ड वन फंक्शन अबाउट द cytoplasm is living cytoplasm is always is in a state of movement. Living cytoplasm is always in a state of movement, right? This is number third. First function of the cytoplasm is the it acts as a store of vital chemicals. ठीक है, it acts as a store of vital chemicals like amino acid, glucose, etc. Number second function, what I told, that it is the site of the certain metabolic pathways. It is the site of metabolic pathways like glycolysis, that you can study in the higher classes, glycolysis, right? So this you have to understand and learn and draw the diagram of the structure of nucleus and the connection with the endoplasmic reticulum. That much you have to just draw it in your copy. And functions of the nucleus, functions of the cytoplasm, right? Now next lecture we will study about the cell organelles. Okay students, so that much you have to learn and read. Thank you so much to all of you.